I need to be honest for a quick sec. I have been doing way too much TikTok lately. So I got it together and I finally deleted the app. And now I don't even remember the password anymore. So it's not like I can download it again, you know? Solutions, Caitlin, solutions. So instead of the TikTok stuff that I normally do 2 hours a day, I decided to do a little mini photo shoot this week and take you guys along with me. You know, I'm using things that I know for a fact you all have in your houses. So no excuses. You're gonna look really cute in these pictures and I'll show you how. Did I do some spicy editing on Photoshop, you might ask? And the answer is yes. Yes, I did. But it's okay. If that's not something you have access to or know how to do, they'll still come out really cute. So don't worry. Please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications for weekly videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Idea number 1 is to take a picture frame and take out the backing, take out any glass that's in it. So you basically just have the frame, and then you can kind of like use your hands, put it around your face, and then just take a bunch of pictures. So easy, I know, but it's really cute, so you should try it. Use your self-timer for sure. I did add some cool lighting effects on Photoshop, so I will be leaving a link to the tutorial I found below, but if that's not something you have access to, totally fine, you don't need it, and it's still cute, I promise. Idea number 2, and I'm using my phone for this, so it's super easy. You basically just get near a window. I'm getting on my bed, and then you just look out the window, and then you take a bunch of selfies until you get like a picture you like. I personally like my window a lot because it kind of shines rainbows at the right time of day, so I didn't have to do any sort of lighting editing, but honestly, I feel like any window would work well for this. Just look out the window, smile a little, take a picture, and bam, you got yourself a really cute picture. Alright, idea number 3. So this one does require you to kind of organize your bed a little, make it aesthetic, make it cute. I have stuffed animals all over my messy bed, so I took a sec to basically clean everything off, make it look cute, turn on my lights in the background, and then just, you know, pick up a book and read it, and then take pictures. Sadly, I have not been reading as much as I should this summer, as in I haven't been reading at all, but I do plan to, so I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. But anyways, you get a cute picture from that. It's really easy. Okay, and last but not least, this one is really easy, but also a little awkward, and my video was kind of awkward, so don't look too closely. But basically, you gotta take some flowers, I have some fake ones, and lie on the ground with them and smile up at the camera. I do not have an overhead camera, so I just tried to put it at the most downward angle that I possibly have on my tripod, but I'm sure there are a lot of creative ways you could kind of get your camera to be above you. I just didn't try that hard, but it still ended up okay, so you know what? I'm not complaining. So that's my last super easy idea. Alright you guys, so that was it for this video. I know, sweet, short, simple, whatever. I didn't have that much time this week, but it was still a lot of fun. Be safe out there, don't do anything crazy. Enjoy your summer if you're on vacation like I am, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye!